All right, ladies and gents. So, been working on this belt buckle for the bomber jacket that I got, but this is actually version 3 of the buckle. Not as spectacular as a real metal piece, and actually, doesn't even look like the camera's really picking up the metallic paint that I used on here. But still got a little bit more work, a little more refining to do on it, but I'm getting close. And right now, I've just got this kind of sitting on here because one of the refinements I've got to do is widening the space in between these two so that the belt will actually fit in between there. Right now it's too narrow, so I'm going to have to fix that. And right now I've got this held together by magnets, which is kind of my plan is just to have this kind of clipped together with magnets and hold together. Like I said, this is going to be more ornamental than functional. I just don't really think a functional is going to be a good idea with a 3D print because this won't hold up like a real metal piece. But if you're just looking to have a buckle to complete your bomber jacket and you don't quite have the funds to buy a metal one, this would be definitely a cheaper alternative. And that'll clip together. But I printed this up. I painted this with Vallejo metal color. This is a pale burnt metal. I hope my air conditioner isn't drowning me out. But I think if I go with a, I didn't put it up. But All-Clad makes a aluminum that looks really good. I may try that on my next batch. Well, I haven't made these in batch yet, but on my next print, I may try that and see how that turns out. This didn't turn out bad. The camera's not really picking it up too well. I think maybe you can see it a little bit. But it does look pretty good. I do need to work on, I've got too many faces, if you can see that when you turn it. When I did this, I didn't increase my number of polygons on this, so I need to fix that. And then I did have some black vinyl that I actually cut up, which is what they used for the backing on this centerpiece. So I've cut that up, and that's turned out pretty nice. I do need to find more of a gold color for this pendant in the middle, which is supposed to be a snap, but or a clasp, but I haven't been able to find any of those actual clasps. So I've got this 3D part sitting in here for now, and that may be what I have to go with if I can't find any actual clasps. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Just wanted to give a update. So I got some more work to do back here as well. Just wanted to give an update and show everybody how this is coming along so far. So I'll be back with another update at some point. Stay tuned.